Dare I say this again, welcome to a new era of CPWN. I'm Clarence Ponsler. Well, this YouTube channel has gone permanent 4K, meaning all videos recorded, edited, and uploaded are in 4K format. And this is the first permanent 4K video taken at my apartment complex, and it's a bright and sunny day. Let's take a look at the surroundings. It's a beautiful early winter's day. Nice blue skies, some clouds in the air. As I mentioned, the bright sunshine. And also to note, these apartment complex buildings, they were once yellow until 2021, and then they painted it turquoise teal, we call it. Now add a new tradition to CPWN since December 2023, the permanent 4K. And you can see these sidewalk chalk commemorations. First, the turquoise teal paint era of this apartment complex is 2021. But from here on out, all YouTube videos here on CPWN will be in more sharper format and at least ultra high definition. Thanks for watching this edition of CPWN. Clarence Ponsler saying have a great day or evening if it's nighttime. So long.